Hey, my name is Andy from 99, and today we're going to be cutting an aluminum cactus on our ShopSabre CNC.
Hello, my name is Andres, and I'm the co-founder of 99. We have a design and fabrication studio that focuses on anything from interior design to spatial design, brand activations, and major music festivals and events. We take everything from design phase to fabrication and installation all in-house. So that's really something we pride ourselves in, is delivering the project from start to finish. The project that we're working on today is for Dirty Birdie in Fort Worth, Texas. We previously did one in Austin about 3 years ago. And what we did there is we created, it's an indoor mini golf experience. So we tried to make the holes really fun and interactive. And so that's kind of what we're going for. For this time around, we are creating this like psychedelic cactus garden kind of thing. It's a lot of like fun colors and a lot of LEDs. So we're creating these cactuses out of aluminum on the CNC. They're going to have LEDs embedded in them, and they're all going to be different colors. And you're going to just play through this like garden of cactuses, essentially. And that's the project we're working on today. So why don't we head back out to the CNC?
Before we get started, I would like to talk about how we're going to be securing the material to the table. We're going to be using a vacuum system as well as some screws just to make sure the material is safe and secured. Also, when you're cutting metal, you would like to use some type of lubrication. Today, we're going to be using a mister just so we can reduce the heat and not break any bits. We have our tool path set up. All we need to do is load up the material and start cutting. Here's the cut pieces. Everything turned out great. We engraved our middle line so we can run our LEDs as well as numbering them so it'll be easier for the welder to put it together. The next step is welding and running the LEDs so we can wrap this project up. Well, here's a finished product. We still need to get it powder coated, but we put it together to show you how it looks assembled. We had made these bases, which are islands throughout the room. We also cut these on a CNC machine. The LEDs shine bright through the cactus. We programmed it to give it that psychedelic feel that we're looking for, which comes across a lot brighter in a dark room. Behind me is a saloon, which we also cut on the CNC. Behind those doors is actually going to be the cactus room. This is just one small piece from a large-scale project that the CNC played a big role in. I hope you learned something today, and thanks for watching.